Hello guys, welcome back to Nikios Inside channel once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be talking about this platform known as Phenom. For those of you that have joined this platform, or for those who are interested in joining this platform, or for those that have already joined already, please and please, I need you guys to watch this video from the beginning till the very end, because there are a lot of negative things which you don't know about this platform. A lot of negative things which you don't know about this platform. In this video tutorial, I am going to be exploring this I'm going to be exposing this platform without any compromise. Okay, so all you need to do for me is to watch this video from the beginning till the very end without skipping any part, so that you can know if this platform is a legit one or a scam one. Is this platform legit or scam? All these things I'm going to be revealing everything now. So back to business. In this video tutorial, I will be talking about this platform known as Phenom. I will be telling you what Phenom is all about and how does it work, how do you make money from this platform, and how do you withdraw. And then lastly, I will be telling about this platform, if it's legit or a scam one, which is the main reason why I'm making this video. So what is Phenom? Phenom is all about Phenom is an online earning platform which claims that users can earn money simply by participating in social media platforms, TikTok overflow and TikTok video views, Phenom coins and the rest of it, daily login. That's what this platform claims to be. So it's an online earning platform which claims that you can make money by participating in the activities provided by the platforms. Once you participate in those activities they have provided for you, you are going to be making money. So that is what this platform claims to be. So how real and legit is this platform? Find out for yourself in this very video. Now, for you to start making money on this platform known as Phenom, you are required to be a registered member. All you need to do is to go to phenomnet.com. So it's going to take you to an home page like this. Now, when you have come to the home page, you are going to be needing a coupon code. You are going to see where it says register. You can see where it says register. You click on it, you can see it's taking you to register. So you go to their, I think, WhatsApp, and you see their group. So you tell them you want to register. Okay, so you are going to be needing a coupon code. Okay, so this coupon code serve you for your registration fee. It serves as your registration fee. So you click on the three dotted line, you will see coupon code. Click on it, you will see coupon vendors. When you see coupon vendors, you will see the list of verified Phenom vendors. So you see them, they are verified vendors. So you will just chat any of them and tell them you want to purchase the coupon code. Now the question is the coupon code free? The answer is a big no. The coupon code is not free. So now, how much is the coupon code? The coupon code is 8,000 naira, and that brings me to their earning structure. So now, what is the earning structure? Please and please listen to me attentively. Now, the registration fee is 8,000 naira. You have reward rush. When you register with 8,000 naira, they will give you a reward rush of 1,000 naira, and the overflow is from 200 naira to 1,000 naira. And they have Phenom daily login. Every day you log in on their platform, you earn 500 naira. And they have TikTok challenge. If you make TikTok video and you hit 1k views, you will be rewarded with 1,500 naira. And this platform claims that they monetize social media platform, and this platform also claims that you can get a loan. Another way you another way you can earn from this platform is through referral program. So my brothers and sisters, this is the main part of this business. For you to really make money on this platform, you need to refer somebody. So if you refer somebody, the platform will reward you with 7,000 naira, 7,100 naira, sorry. So that's not the end though. You are also going to be getting indirect referral of 200 naira. For example, if I refer you and you refer another person, that person you refer will be my indirect referral. I will get some amount of money. And if that person you refer another person, I will be earning commission again. That is my first indirect referral and my second indirect referral. So you earn with referral unlimited times. Now is not the end though. Now let's go to the withdrawal aspect. The withdrawal is every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and the minimum withdrawal is 14,000 naira. Now back to main business. So the reason why I'm making this video is to tell you if this platform is legit or scam one. Phenom is a capital scam. Phenom is a capital scam. Listen to me very well. Now you'll be wondering why I said it's a scam. How many of us know about benefits, Zenith, and one other one, Anchor, and the rest? I don't even make video on them, but I make video on benefits, Zenith, and all that. This is what these people do. They create different kind of platforms to scam. And don't be surprised when I say these people are still the same people creating this same platform. Okay, so these people are still the same people creating this platform. Okay, so they just use to change the names of this platform. Like now, Zenifix turn to Benefix, Benefix turn to Anchor, Anchor turn to Elisa, Elisa now turn to Phenom. So that is how they change the name. They are the same people creating different kind of group. If they scam you in the first group, they will scam you in the second group, they will scam you in the third group. They will just be opening platform, and you will not know. You will just join in the name of you want to make money. Okay, so they just use to change the names. Now let me expose these people and tell you how they split your money. See, that's your registration fee of 8k. Let me just say it's a Ponzi scheme platform. They rob Peter to pay Paul. The money you use to register, that's people that are registering, the money you use to register, that's people that refer you, that 8k you use to buy coupon code, that person that referred you, they are going to remove 7,100 naira and pay the person. Now out of 8k, how much is remaining? They are left with 900 naira. Out of 900 naira, they are still going to remove 300 naira. They will use 200 naira to pay to the upliner of the person that refer you. They also use 100 naira to pay the first upliner of the person that refer you. you see how your money is being splitted. Now the platform is left with 600 naira. Now the platform is realizing just 600 naira, and now they will remove 100 naira or 200 naira and pay to the coupon vendors, because each code those vendors sell dey earn 100 naira or 200 naira at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, the platform is left with just 500 naira or 400 naira. That's why this platform is more of referring. So you don't make money in all those tasks you are performing, maybe TikTok's video or Instagram like or Facebook post. No, you don't make money there. So if you can't refer, nothing for you. Now you can see this platform is same as Benefit, Zenith and other and the rest. However, I'm not your financial advisor, not your financial coach. I'm not doing this video for you to join or for you not to join. The ball is in your court. If your decision to know what to do. All I'm doing is to making a review for you, if the platform is good or not. My own advice for you is you must be very good at referral before you join this platform. So if you are not good at referral, don't bother yourself to join. And again, those people introducing you to this platform will be showing you payment proof. Now on the platform, I don't know, let me check if I can take you to, okay, I don't think, okay, on the platform you will be seeing a place that they will show you where it says you will see people that have earned money on the platform. They will be showing you payment proof. Some people have made 6 million, 4 million, 10 million, 20 million, 3 million, 2 million, 1 million, 500,000 and so on. Now the question is, are they making all this money from all these activities? The answer is a capital no. The platform scam you to pay those that introduce you. So this platform does not have any means of generating revenue for their users, rather than using the person you introduce the money to pay you. This is what is called Ponzi scheme, robbing Peter to pay Paul. I've said it that anytime they ask you to buy coupon code, any platform that asks you to buy coupon code, that platform is a scam. So to end it, or any platform that requires you buying a coupon code, my brothers and sisters, run oh. You see that your money, if you use it to go and buy coupon code and you are not good at referral, my brother and sister, you are not going to make anything. And they will at the end of the day, they will use your money to pay the person that referred you. So now the question is, now if you want to join this platform or you don't want to join the platform. Remember, I am not your financial advisor, and I'm not your financial coach. I am not telling you not to join this platform. I'm just telling you so that you will know what to do anytime you join this platform or anytime you come across this platform. So it's now left for you if you will join this platform or if you will not join this platform. I can never tell you not to join this platform. I am not you and you are not me. So I am just making my own review so that if anything comes at the end of the day, you will know that, oh, somebody has talked about this site. So I think this will be the end of the video. So that is my own review for you guys. So if you now want to join the platform, is left to you. If you don't want to join the platform, is left to you. So I've said my own. I think I've done what I think is right, is best, so that you will know the right information about this platform, and you will know if you want to join the platform, or either you should not join the platform. So this will be the end of the video. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share to families and friends. I remain Adandi, the Uniqueous Insight.